checked out of the hotel to spending the next 3 days with May's family. Do some shopping. Christ, it's worse than TK Maxx, isn't it? Row after row. I blend in. I blend in with the local. Blend in.
Oh yeah, definitely fit.
I'll have to shave though. So I don't want to get caught out like last time, especially at the Grand Palace.
Just have a look. This is a free size. Have a look.
Do I have to wear long sleeves?
Yeah. No, not on the trousers. Not
Just
on the top.
right.
Size of my leg.
Cool. Keep your eye out. Oh, I don't then just like stop for you. You just have to go.
Yeah.
Like this. Bad the pedestrians have to worry about cars. Should I get a haircut?
Just trim the back.
You can feel me getting a haircut. Yeah, look. Look at this one, look. Ah. Okay, well, I'll get an haircut and hopefully they don't butcher it. We shall see, won't we?
Yeah, they come here have breakfast. We
Come here.
a couple days ago. Yeah.
Here, breakfast here.
Yeah. Very nice.
Is it?
Gonna get iced coffee. Do you want one?
Yeah, I do want an ice coffee. Just with a baby.
Wow. Oreo. Cocoa. Yeah. Oh, that's Kit Kat.
Cup. So this is allegedly
Sushai.
Kit
His
Kat.
name Sushai.
Have you ever heard anyone with the most noisiest flip?
That's one. Somebody just walked past. You can hear him from about 100 yards.
He's wearing a hoodie.
In the temperature too.
I can hear him from here.
Man ping.
What's munting?
Man is similar with
Oh, it's
the
warm.
potato, sweet potato. It's really fresh made.
Sap. Sap.
Oh, there's some.
Oh, something smells good here. What's that? That smells nice.
The same kind of food you eat in next door.
Hey, you wouldn't like. It's mad, isn't it? But the smell that's coming from it is gorgeous.
But I don't roast in the smell, huh?
Do you know what? Yes. Very much so.
That's right.
Oh, it look good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna ask him to do your eyebrows as well.
Well, how are you?
Yeah.
Đây chọn luôn.
Oh, rồi lại, rồi lại.
Yes, I've done it again. People can see. Haircut with a happy ending.
Very happy.
It's just a different meaning.
Yeah, he's very happy anyway.
Well, there you go. What do we reckon on the fresh trim?
Look good.
Yeah? How much did it cost?
£2.
£2. There you are. Ridiculous, isn't it? I'm never going to see England the same again. I'm going to go back and I'm just going to be just thinking, how much? It's going to be misery, isn't it?
He said, what? I got £15.
£15?
You're joking.
Get a flight to Thailand. Get it done. Principle.
That's most popular food for
Yeah,
foreigners.
I've had papaya salad before. I don't like it.
Okay.
But I like this. What is that? Meatballs?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've had that. And beef. That's mine. Delicious. You don't need to go shopping. If you need to buy a knife, they come to you. You're not full. Mine's gone.
Spicy. Have a taste, Mama.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Look at the colour of the bowl.
Yeah.
Who says it's always hot in Thailand?
Give my eyebrow done. And make it ngam đi dai.
Weird. I'm going to go and see this temple. All to do with snakes. I don't like snakes. Nevertheless, looks very good. And then we're going to get some food. I'll have to ask Mai about what's the deal with all the snakes. I don't get it. These stick things must give them. There's these stick things. I think scented sticks they've got. Must give them a sense of. Looks like someone's making one. They're making it out of. Well, there you have it. Another, not sure what it is. I'll have to ask May what the snakes mean. Or leave it in the comments. Let me know. I don't like snakes. Squeaky brake. Jeez. Right. Food. That's all I've done is just eat. If you come to Thailand, all you're going to do is eat because the food is that good. See how May's doing. Well, May's eyebrow tattooist hasn't turned up, so it looks like it's just you, me, and the streets of Bandung. Look at the hell of that electric. I keep going on about the electrics, but look at it. I've got to see if I can try and order some food on my own. My Thai is very nid noi. That's better. My Thai is very nid noi. That means very little. Deaf people have got to get around too, haven't they? So no, I've learnt my lesson from last time. Some proper Thai food. None of this rubbish, this pizza. £6 that pizza cost me. I could have got 6 bowls of noodles. Unreal. Hello! I want some fruit. I wonder if they do all the tag. Yeah, like your fake watch up. Your Ben Furmans. Your Rojex. Oh, you want Rojex wax? That's so racist, I've got to leave that out. Oh, why did I do my croissants in here? I haven't seen them. Saudi Cup. Oh, sorry folks. No croissants. I don't seem to be able to find somewhere where I can just buy one thing. It used to be like 35 bar or whatever like that, which is less than £1 and it gets you about a kilo. I don't want a kilo of stuff. I don't really know where I am actually. I'm going to end up getting lost in that. Yeah, it looked good, huh? Bit of a dead end here. I'm going to have to turn back. See if I can find something else. Catch up with you in a bit. Hello! Sawadee Krab! Sabadi Mai? Hon Mai! Well, I'm not lost, but do you know what? I am lost. Oh dear. No, I'm not. This way. If I'm right in thinking, just up here is where we got some tea. Starting to build a sweat up now. Oh, okay. Are you going or am I going? Hey. Captain Cup. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. That is stunning. That is beautiful. Oh, something about mango in Thailand. Something else. Oh, she's there. I was filming the wrong person. I thought to myself, that's not my wife.
You want to go home first? You can. I don't know how. 2.5. What you reckon?
Show me. Ooh.
สวยไหมสวย
How long ago was this? 2.5 hours ago. Oh well. Let's go.
เอาได้ค่ะคำละ10ค่ะ50ค่ะผมนี้นะคะตัวใหญ่50จัมโบ้ค่ะพี่
30 by half hour, 70p. Yeah, it's cool.
That's a skin.
That
That's a beef.
is awful.
That's a beef skin.
Right.
My dad loved that.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can grill me in the comments all you like. That ain't happening.
Lovely.
Hang on, wait. Oh no. No, I can't, no. Did you see the bird, the little bird in there?
Yeah.
No. No,
So colorful.
okay, I want to take one home.
Oh, you can't.
Oh look. What the colour?
เอาไก่ยังที่มีสีเนาะบ้านเนี่ย Yeah, they grow them
So what?
to eat.
They eat them as chicks?
No, probably a big one. บ่เคยเห็นค่ะเกี่ยวกับ
Wow. They look lovely, didn't they?
What do you think?
That rotten egg though. I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. I congratulate anybody out there who has done it personally. Come here to do it. But after seeing it, smelling it, it's not happening. Oh, look at the nuts on you.